Before we get into the meat of the course, let's review what you should know in order to get the most out of simple Android development tools. First, you should know how to enable developer mode on your Android phone. I'll talk about the normal way, but each phone seems to have a slightly different variation of how to turn on developer mode, so if you need to look up the information about your particular device, now is the time to do it. You should also know how to enable side-loaded apps, because once you've developed your app, you may want to give it to other people for testing, and you'll need to know how to tell them what they need to do in order to be able to load your app onto their device. What's not required is Java expertise. At the beginning of the course, we're going to show just a little bit about what full-on Android development involves. But that's primarily to give you a contrast between basically professional Android development tools and the simple Android development tools that we're going to explore in this course. It would be very helpful if you understood simple coding concepts like if, then, else, and the concept of variables. It also would be very helpful if you understood simple interaction concepts like different kinds of controls like button and checkbox and label and image. And finally, it would also be helpful to understand the traditional development workflow, just at the simple level, the difference between design time and build time, and testing your app. So that's all you need to know to take this course. First, we'll take a quick look at the big picture of Android development and then show you the hard way so that you can understand why the simple Android development tools can be of great value to you when you want to just put together an app or if you're a beginning app developer. So let's get started.